Hey guys, what is going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening up a brand new 2018 Matchbox L case with 24 new Matchbox vehicles. And just like my Hot Wheels case unboxing videos, I'll be sending one lucky subscriber a few new Matchbox cars from this case. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed, leave a like on this video, and comment down below your favorite Matchbox or Hot Wheels car for a chance to win. Now without further ado, let's crack open this case and see which all new cars we have inside. Alrighty, so starting off here in the top right corner, we have a blue police Matchbox rescue vehicle, the Road Raider. Up next from Matchbox Road Trip is a very nice looking model, the white 94 Audi Avant RS2. And it looks like the L case actually comes with two of the brand new white Audi with the Still Too Fast license plate. Next in line, we have another Matchbox rescue vehicle. This one is the yellow Spark Arrestor. Here comes a sweet off-roading vehicle. This one is a blue 60s Jeep 4x4. And over on the left, we have another Jeep, but this one is from the Road Trip series, the Willys Jeep Pickup 4x4. Now starting on the next row, we have a very bright Matchbox rescue vehicle called Hazard Squad. Following up that bright model, we have a Matchbox service vehicle called the 2009 International Star. Our first construction model in the box is the Red Snow Thrasher. Here's another great car from the Road Trip series, the blue Porsche Panamera. And of course we have a second Porsche Panamera, and this is a good model to get a double of. On the end here we have a Matchbox service vehicle, the blue GMC School Bus. We are halfway through the box, and our next truck is a construction model called the Ridge Raider. Check out this Matchbox service model. It's a 1955 GMC Scenic Cruiser. Here's another Matchbox construction model, a cool blue truck called the Camo Convoy. This next one is a really awesome off-roading truck, the 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Take a look at our next Matchbox rescue vehicle. This one is called the Frost Fighter. I also really like this off-roading vehicle here. It's the NASA SEV Chariot. Down to our last 6 cars, we have the red rescue truck, the Scania P360. Next in line is the fire department chief, the red rescue 51 Hudson Hornet. Then we have the construction vehicle that every farmer needs, the Crop Master. Another really nice Matchbox road trip model, the red 2000 Nissan Xterra. Followed up by another great Matchbox road trip model, the silver Honda Ridgeline. And our final Matchbox model for this case is the blue Service 2013 Ford Cargo. So guys, those are all 24 cars in the brand new 2018 Matchbox L case. We'll be unboxing more Hot Wheels cars soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you would like a chance to win these 3 Matchbox models here, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below your favorite Matchbox or Hot Wheels car for a chance to win. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.